this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot.
Ayan, welcome back na my YouTube channel guys, Ethel Aliera. Ayan, nandito tayo. Habang nag-edit tayo, mag-break muna tayo. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Sinong nakakamiss kumain ng Lomi? Sikat po ito sa bandang saan ba? South, ayan. Ayan po siya guys. Kain tayo guys. Marami siyang sahog. There's egg, there's chicharon. Maganda lang po ito kain once in a while. Ayan, pag cheat day, ganyan. Huwag araw-arawin. Tsaka pag mga noodles na po, hindi ako masyado. Kukunin ko lang po yung mga laman nito and then yung noodles. Tatabi ko, hindi ko maubos po ito. Dami. Hindi talaga ako mahilig kumain ng mga pasta. Basta yung pasta form, hindi ko masyado. I don't know. Makain po ako, pero hindi talaga not so much na super yung fanatic, super hated. Once in a blue moon po. Ano, boiled egg. Yung tawag dito, yung isa, yung street food. Then there's, ano po, tofu, tokwa. So ko yung tokwa. And there's, ano, fish ball. Sarap. Bulak muna tayo while nag-i-edit tayo. Tatapos ko lang ng 2 contents. Kaya ko pong gumawa ng 2 contents a day. And then thumbnail. Kasi pag kabisado mo naman yung ano mo, pag alam niyo po yung i-voice over nyo and you know what to do with your content, it's so easy po. Tip ko lang po sa inyo pagka nag-content is kailangan full charge na po kayo, yung isip nyo intact na, para madali nyo na po ilabas lahat kung ano po yung kalalabasan ng content nyo. Gather nyo muna lahat kung paano. And step by step yung gawin. And you can have it. For now, relax muna tayo kasi itapos na natin 2 contents. Thumbnail na lang later. Diba, kinakain ko lang yung mga laman. Yung lomi, hindi ko nakain. Hinahanap ko lang yung mga laman, guys. Daya, no? Alam niyo na kung paano kumain si Ethel Aliera pag mga ganito. Not so much with the, ano, yung mga pansit-pansit. Sometimes kasi, pag nag-edit kayo, you need a break. Parang chill lang muna kayo. Kasi minsan nakaka-drain din po yung mag-edit. Kasi it is not that easy to make a content. Kasi syempre kailangan focus ka din. Then alam mo yung sinasabi in your mind. And alamin mo po kung ano magiging outcome ng ginawa mong content. So, hindi po siya madali, guys. Yung sabi-sabi nyo lang na madali, hindi po. Kasi it covers everything. The hard thing, yung paano mo siya ilapat, paano mo siya palalabasin na maganda, na yung makatotohanan talaga, hindi lang gawa-gawa. Yung nandito galing sa puso yung ginawa. Yung magiging totoo ka sa content mo. And then, like this one, kumain lang ako, diba? Kasi nagutom po ako, guys. Kasi nakaka-drain po ng brain po ang mag-edit. Nakaka-drain po, especially pag nag-iisip ka pa kung ano yung susunod. Pero pag you know how to, yung step by step, madali na lang po yung same. Pero pag hindi po, at saka pag love niyo po, passion niyo po talaga is making content or making a video, hindi na po kayo mahirapan. Pag passion niyo, kasi ginusto niyo po yun. That's what you want. So, yun po yung share ko po sa inyo na. Again, it is not easy if it's not your passion. But then, if it's your passion, it's so easy for you to do. Pero hindi po yan dyan yung parang pagka ganun makukuha mo na agad, hindi po. It's a long process po bago mo po makuha and bago mo po mapakita sa buong mundo na this is it. This is how I make content. This is how I content for my channel. Although I heard some na yung mga friends natin is ang hirap-hirap gumawa ng content kasi disclaimer, guys, pag hindi niyo po talaga alam yung kung saan po kayo, saan po yung gusto, mahirap po talaga. Mahirap po. Hindi ko po sinasabing magaling po ako, guys, pero mahirap po talaga if you don't know how, na magiging habit mo siya, magiging passion mo siya in the near future. Hindi po talaga. Hindi po madaling kunin po yun. And hindi po madaling gawin in creating a content. Kasi may kasama din po yung pag-iisip and of course, yung creativity mo talaga number one. Pag creative ka, kasama po yun. Pero if you don't have that, mahirap po. Mahirap po pag hindi, lalo na pag hindi ka din sa computer, hands-on, mahirap siya. If you're not into socials, if you're not into typewriting and coding, mahirap po siya. Lalo na pag mabagal ka pong mag-ano. So, it's more on hands-on talaga. Kaya nga yung mga big channels, they are into, yung meron silang editor kasi hindi na po nila kayang mag-edit. Yung ginagawa pa sila, may businesses sila. So, they can't do it na. Yeah, hindi po madali na creating a video, creating a content. Hindi po siya madali. Diba? Tingnan mo guys, yung mga pansit lang ang natira. Yung laman lang kinuha ko. Ganyan po ako kumain ng mga ganito. Pagkain na ganito. Ayaw ko na. So that's it for today, guys. Just taking a break while I'm editing. I just had 2 contents for today, and then later on, after my break, I will continue and make a thumbnail on it. Ayan, so that's it for today, guys. Just eating my merienda, eating lukmi, famous burritos somewhere in the south. So that's it for today, guys. A rainy Sunday today. Thank you so much, and see you all around. Thank you.
You've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on our next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Evel Aliera here is signing off.